Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a comprehensive step-by-step guide to achieving financial freedom in 2024. If you're serious about taking control of your financial future, this video is for you. Make sure you stick around until the end for all the actionable tips. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. If you like this video, all we need from you is to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to help the YouTube algorithm grow us. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these methods or if you have other suggestions. Financial freedom is more than just having money. It's about having the flexibility and security to live life on your own terms. In 2024, with the rise of digital income streams, side hustles, and smart investing strategies, achieving financial freedom is more attainable than ever. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for retirement, or start a business, the strategies we'll cover today will set you on the right path. The first step to financial freedom is setting clear, actionable goals. Identify what financial freedom looks like for you, whether it's eliminating debt, building a savings cushion, or generating passive income. Use tools like SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to break down your objectives into manageable steps. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save more money," say, "I want to save $10,000 by December 2024. Clear goals will guide your financial decisions and keep you focused on your path to freedom. Budgeting is the foundation of financial success. Start by tracking your income and expenses using budgeting apps or spreadsheets. Categorize your spending to see where your money goes each month. Aim to allocate at least 20% of your income towards savings and investments. Remember, a budget isn't about restricting your spending. It's about prioritizing what matters most to you. Consistently review and adjust your budget as your financial situation evolves. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This fund will protect you from unexpected financial setbacks, such as job loss or medical emergencies, without derailing your long-term financial goals. Start by setting aside a small amount each month and gradually build up your fund. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. Focus on paying off high-interest debts like credit cards and personal loans first. Use strategies like the debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first to build momentum, or the debt avalanche method, where you tackle the highest interest rates first. Reducing your debt load will free up more money to invest in your future. Investing is crucial for growing your wealth and achieving financial freedom. In 2024, consider diversifying your investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets. Look into index funds or ETFs for a balanced portfolio with lower risk. If you're new to investing, start small and educate yourself about different investment options. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from compound interest. Relying on a single income stream can be risky. In 2024, it's essential to diversify your income sources. Explore side hustles, freelance work, or online businesses that align with your skills and interests. Passive income streams such as rental properties, dividends, or digital products can also contribute to your financial freedom. The more income streams you have, the more secure your financial future will be. Retirement may seem far away, but the sooner you start saving, the better off you'll be. Maximize your contributions to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. If your employer offers a match, take full advantage of it. It's essentially free money. Consider investing in a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. Regularly review your retirement plan to ensure you're on track to meet your long-term goals. As you build wealth, it's crucial to protect it. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage. Health, life, home, and auto insurance are essential. Consider umbrella insurance for extra liability protection. Estate planning is another key component. A will or trust can ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Asset protection strategies safeguard your wealth from unforeseen circumstances. Financial markets and opportunities are constantly evolving. Make a habit of educating yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth management. Follow reputable financial blogs, listen to podcasts, and read books by financial experts. Staying informed will help you make smarter financial decisions and adapt to changes in the economy. Achieving financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed to your goals, even when progress seems slow. Regularly review your financial plan and make adjustments as needed. Life changes, whether it's a new job, a move, or a family, may require you to adapt your strategies. Stay flexible and be willing to make changes to stay on track. Financial freedom is within your reach in 2024. By setting clear goals, managing your money wisely, investing, and continuously learning, you can build a future where you have the freedom to live life on your terms. Remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these methods, or if you have other suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.